Yes, hello, it's yesterday, Andrew, and it's just to tell you that yes, this is the other video that was gonna get uploaded. It's here. It didn't take that long to edit. Literally only took about 10, maybe 15 minutes. I try my best anyway. Right. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I believe this was when Struan was getting mauled by seagulls. That should be fun.
It's gonna get demolished by the birds. If I don't hide it. Yeah, you look like you just died.
Hello guys, Andrew are here. Today in this video, Struan is sitting on the ground. Tarkan is eating a pizza. It's very nice.
And Struan is waiting for the bird.
I'm currently eating fish cakes. I've not had fish cakes in about 4 months because I'm the only one of us that's been able to complete our diet, huh?
Indeed, yeah.
Come on, I have to get some credit for that.
Yeah.
The last time I had something greasy was the start of the year. No, not even the start of the year.
Oh, no, that bird just
My face.
Oh. Yours is like, didn't you go and eat it? There's a bastard next to it.
Look at this one.
No, that one's just like, throw breadcrumbs all over Struan and they're like, batter.
Struan, you'll be alright, son. It's alright.
No, you'll be alright. The breadcrumbs
Oh.
will save you. Oh! You know, like, will you get that? Will you get
Oh
that?
my god.
They're all just like, are you gonna get that? No, you get that.
Just like someone
It's like somebody just passed them and take the chip.
Okay,
They're all circling around like a bird tornado.
I know, you have to admit though, this is fucking entertainment.
I was waiting to say, people with a feed of birds would be having a fucking panic attack right now. And I don't mean that meanly, I just mean the amount of birds that are here.
Yeah, I know.
Did that fix that? Touched you last, you pick up. No, I'm joking.
Oh my
yeah, 2
god.
seconds.
I've got the power!
It's like I recognize someone from here.
Oh, I rule this land, son. Oh. I need to get a video just of that. Okay. Being jumped by seagulls.
Yep, basically.
So many seagulls are like flying around us at the moment.
We're gonna die. That's what's gonna happen. We're gonna get shit on. That's what's gonna happen here. Tarkan, it was good knowing you, but we're not gonna get shit on.
But we're gonna get shat on by the fucking seagulls flying about.
Yep.
Struan! A flock of seagulls!
Right, so we are here. We're here at an unknown location in Top Gear. Today we have Tarkan as always. You look nuts, I think. I am not sure. But all I can say is we're getting abused by the Stug. Because obviously, knowing me, I am Richard McLachlan. And this is Richard Hammond right here. Struan's unknown location here at the filming studio. Right, hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the other video. I nearly paused there. Hopefully we get more content with Struan and Tarkan in the future, because honestly it feels good to get out of the house and get actually moving in a place that I'm kind of familiar with. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, bye bye.